Alright, Ripley's got a new car. He's got it from Uncle Kelly. Spoiled rotten and he loves it. Oh, Bubba's. Push the buttons. Here.
Yay! How adorable is he?
What's going on, Bubbies? What do you think of your car? Did Uncle Kelly get you an awesome car? I think he did. I think you're styling. Ready? Vroom. Vroom. What was that? Uncle Kelly got you a styling car. Look at those shiny wheels. Oh, go Bubbies. Go. Alright. Look at those shiny wheels. That cool steering wheel. Alright, Bubba's. Yeah. Uh-huh. What else, Bubbies? What else? You say hi to Uncle Kelly and Aunt Sherry? Say hi. Say hi. Thank you for spoiling me. Alright. Yeah. You like it. Look at you scooting around. Alright, Bubba's. Uh-huh. Okay, we'll send more videos soon. Say I love you, Uncle Kelly and Aunt Sherry and Grandma.